Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Taboldi Goes Marvellous. And yes, we've got a delivery. Taking the label off it. It comes from spoilers. It comes from Airfix. And it also comes from you guys. You see, you've been increasingly generous with your memberships and your views and your all your subscribe and your comments. And it all helps the channel grow. And it all helps. I've had to put the box on the floor because it's a tad on the large side. So there we go. So got 3 kits in here. Let's carefully unwrap it. There we go, beautifully packaged. And we've got something very special to look at in a minute, so I'll have a look at that in a bit. So I'll pop this down on the floor, and then I'll drop the camera down a bit so you can see what goodies I've got properly. But no. Oops. Right, first out of the bag is this. The World War II 15 CWT 4x2 GS truck, or I think it's a Chevy truck. I think I'm going to do an early version. Apologies for the glare. Get into focus. Because I do like my 1/48 scale vehicles, as you know. We won't look at anything else on the box yet, because I will do an in-depth in-box review, and then we've got the Ferret. Yes, I know I did a Ferret, but this one's slightly different. It's the Mark 1. Obviously comes with comes turretless. Just shout on there. Obviously focus. Now I don't know what's up with my camera. That's better. Yeah. So obviously 3 camo schemes. I quite like that one, or the Operation Granby one with a different turret. And yeah. So we'll do an inbox review of that as well, for those who are interested. And then finally, we have a Spitfire Mark 1. Now, usually a Mark 1 is a kit that I've not built. I have got another one. That's the Tamiya Mark 1. But obviously not keen on the decals on that, so obviously I don't come with a single bladed prop. And I quite like the French scheme. So we shall see. So again, I shall put up a poll later today asking what review you want first. Leave it open there for a few days. And this is the coin that I got, which again is quite a weighty so-and-so. Lovely embossed. I think it's a King George the Sixth, a Sherman, Firefly, and a Spitfire Mark. I think that's a Mark 9C. Well, it's 148 out of 1,000. So that's quite a low one. So if I pull it up to the camera so you can see the number. Hopefully you can see the number. Again, you've got the Airfix logo on the back. So I'll put that back in the safely back in the bag. So, as I said before, you're going to get a chance to pick the kit that is reviewed first on the channel. This video will go up on for the members first. Yeah. So it'll be viewer's choice. So will it be a Mark 1 Spit? So that one I might do a little bit differently. But more on that when I do the review. Said Scout's car. And said Bedford. Or yes, Bedford. Sorry, yes, correction, it's Bedford. So yeah, I shall make my mind up and do those as we speak. So thanks a lot for your contribution, and keep watching and keep sharing and commenting. So thanks for everyone for looking in. Bye for now.